Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Norma Acosta with Mommy's DIYs, and today this is like a beginner's bowl making, I guess. I'm gonna teach you how to do things like this. Every year I make these to put on the family's presents for Christmas, and they truly love them. I got different ornaments at the Dollar Tree. I got different ones that I'm gonna be getting ready, so when the time to wrap all the great gifts are ready. My family really loves them. They have been collecting them. I've been doing this for like 5-6 years, and they love them. They collect them. Some of them keep them so that they can pass it along to someone else. So this is what we're going to be learning. In the materials that you need is like ornaments from the Dollar Tree. These were 3 for the dollar. These and these were 2 for $1, and these were $1 each. I don't know if I'm going to use these big ones unless I have a gift, a really big gift that I need to wrap. So those are going to be for that reason. And I got these that I fell in love with, that I think I'm just going to do something special with this one. What I do is right after Christmas, I go to different stores, but especially Michael's, and I get all these ribbons at 70 to 80% off. So that's an idea. And like these here, I got them at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so you're gonna need any ribbon, you're gonna need a glue gun, you're gonna need your ornaments, and you're gonna need any color tool that you prefer. This one here, I got it by 100 yards, and I got it at Nashville Wraps, and I'm gonna put in the description below where I got everything. You can also get them at Michael's, but they are a little more expensive. Nashville Wraps is a company that sells boxes, anything to wrap up stuff, tissue paper, but they do require that you have a certificate, okay? So, and of course you need some scissors. So I wanted to keep these like for beginners. Just tell you the basics, like for a ribbon. Something like this, if you have the print only on one side, you will grab it, do a one loop, and right in the middle where you have your finger right there, you're going to twist it this way, so that every time that you do a loop is going to be facing up. So again, you twist, and there it is. Okay. If you have something like this that is both sides looks the same, then you just basically go just like so. Okay, and that's easy to do. Now, when we do a combination of tool and this ribbon, you're just gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and start doing one. You're just gonna go one small loop, because the ornaments we're working with the small ornaments. So one small, and then of course you're gonna have to twist in the middle and bring it up. See what I'm doing is I'm doing it as long as my pinky finger can handle. Then you're gonna turn it around, and you're gonna do the same thing again. So we're going to be doing 6 loops, 3 in each side. So twist it again, bring the loop. There you go. That's 3 in each side. So we twist it so that the ribbon stays on the top. Then we're going to go ahead and cut it. And we're gonna cut another small piece of tulle like right there, because we're gonna use this to tie it up. So carefully, you go right in the middle, and you're gonna tie it twice. One. And two. And you can either leave it like that, you can either leave it like this, or you can go here and leaving this one on top, you're gonna just stretch the tulle. You're gonna stretch it completely. And there you have it. So now you take it apart right in the middle, and you're gonna put your glue a little bit. Like I put like 2 pumps of it, and then let's go ahead and do a snowman. Just go ahead and put it like right there, or you can put it from in the middle of where the scarf is, whatever you like. And there you have it. Look at how cute it is. I leave this in case the person wants to take it apart and use it as an ornament, or you can cut it off. That's it for me today. Make the Lord bless you and your family every day, and be good, stay safe. Until next time, blessings.